Okay, people that want to download Photoshop at home, that are a student in the DOE, here's how you do it. We're going to go to Chrome really quickly. All right. And I have the website that I use right here. We'll go to Student Portfolio. All right. It's this website right here, studentportfoliony.com. As we come to the site, we'll scroll down. Sign up for Photoshop right here. All right. Bam. As we're in here, you're going to have to sign in under your NYCstudents.net. All right. NYCstudents.net. Put in your password. All right. And we'll get that accomplished. Signing in. After you have signed in, you're going to want to go into the, you're on the Teach Hub, right? You're going to want to go into search in here, and you're going to type in cloud. Click on Creative Cloud. After you've clicked on Creative Cloud, it's going to prompt you. It's going to tell you that everything is configured for your account because you're a DOE student, and you're going to hit continue. I waited many years for this to happen for Adobe, and now they do it, right? Which is awesome. You don't need to download other stuff. What you really do need to do, though, is download Photoshop, because that's what I am teaching you in this case. So now it's going to install this exe file, this setup file. Here's where you go to check that out. You go into here, go into downloads. In downloads, there's your Photoshop setup. You could double click it, and now it initiates the process for the application. And now in Photoshop, when you're in here, you can look at tutorials. Don't even worry about that right now. What you're going to do is go to apps. When you click on the apps, there is your Photoshop right here, and you'll be able to see this thing installing. It's already up to 30% installed. All right. And once it's installed on your computer, you're going to be able to go into the search bar over here. You're going to be able to type in Photoshop. And when you type in Photoshop, you'll be able to type in just, PHO. Once you have typed in Photoshop, it'll be right here. And that's the file. It'll pop up, though, as an installed program, and you'll be able to use it just like you do in class. And that's the same way you do it. And you really should pin it to your taskbar. All right? So this way it'll always be down here for you to use, just like you do in class, the way that I show you. All right? And that is how you download Photoshop at home on a PC or a Mac. Thank you.